Hi there, Face here. Welcome back to Nick Jr. I'm just finishing my lunch. A peanut butter sandwich. Uh-oh, it's stuck again. Whenever I eat peanut butter, it always gets stuck to the top of my mouth. There, that's better. I gotta remember not to take such big bites. Oh well. Hey, story time is next on Nick Jr. Hi there, Face here. Welcome back to Nick Jr. I've got the hiccups. Don't know how I got these hiccups, but I do know that I've got them. Yes, sirree. I got the hiccups. Coming up next is story time right here on Nick Jr.